Hi, this is Julie, and this is a sort of a quasi look at the market after hours, but more so how I bracket the markets. And by bracketing, that means hit that line and come back to the value area, um, wherever that is. So here's a bracket on the bottom that we come back to the value area to the top, and here's a bracket to the top that we come back to the value area to the bottom. And I'll get more into this when I'm talking about. Crude did what I thought it would. It went sideways forever, and then it sold off to the point of control. And I decided to do something insane and get all my risk capital taken away from me for my daily trading allotment. Cough that up right here. So that was a bad day. Just up and down, up and down, up and down. Just there was no blessing at all in this sell off down to the VPOC. I tell you that it was just brutal. So that's why it's so important when I recognize a range to just pick a line. That's what this big thick line is sitting there for. It's a reminder for me. I need to draw a line. It doesn't matter if it's up here. I can move it down. This line is for me. It's not for anybody else. And the purpose of it is when price hits that line, I'm supposed to come back towards the mean. So I want to come, when it hits this line, I am coming back towards the mean, and it doesn't matter. I've got to sit there and hold my breath as it continues climbing because I know it's going to come back. This probably would have stopped everybody out. But otherwise, you want to just hit this line and hold on to a reversion to the mean trade or to the other side of value if you get lucky and can hold it for that long. And that's about the only way to trade a range. When you hit the bottom of value, you turn around and you flip that back up. So draw a line on the bottom, and when price hits that line, you flip it back and you trade that back up. I got many stop outs. I didn't do it well today. You know, trading is an art, not a science. And when you get it right, you do real well. And when you get it wrong, you do real bad. So I think a lot of people got chopped up in this sideways stuff. The best trade is to wait until price breaks out of the value range, buy a decisive candle, buy a 5-minute bar, something, and then get in for that move to that location-based market profile level, like these naked VPOCs. That means that the volume point of control for a previous session has not been hit. It's a very high probability trade intraday. And how do you get that 50 cents when it's just sitting there chopping you up, chopping you up, chopping you up? And I'm sitting here telling myself, I'm too early. I need to calm down, take some Ritalin, do anything, just relax, breathe, and wait. Patience, child. Wait for that candle to break out and then take the move. There's plenty of time to get in. This is an educational session for me. It's my self-talk. So I've got plenty of time to capture a decent move with position size, because when you're moving away from value, that's when you put the pedal to the metal and you add your position size. So the only way to trade this middle range stuff is to draw your line. When it hits that line, you're coming back to the mean, and you leave yourself a wide enough stop before you can call uncle. I think this candle here would have gotten everybody out, but that's trading. These would have all worked out if we had just done what we were supposed to do, and I know better. So shame on me for not trading my plan And that's the way it goes. Sometimes we get on ourselves. There's no other way to trade this except for the way I've laid it out. If you know a better way, please drop me a line. But it's very, very difficult trading today in crude. And I know a lot of people are sitting there licking themselves like I am this afternoon. So get up, cheer up, chin up. Tomorrow's another day and we make it all back. That's the best part about trading, is no matter how bad it hurt right now, we know that we're going to make it back triple, quadruple, many times over. It's called trading. So this is Julie, my pep talk for Monday. Thank you.